Hello, today we are going to talk about another question that was asked. Why does milk overflow when boiled while water doesn't? So we call this overflowing as boiling over. It rises up and boils over the vessel. We'll straight away go to the answer, keeping it very short. Milk is made up of water, proteins, fats, carbohydrates, and many other minerals and vitamins. When milk is heated, the water component in it starts boiling, while the others, the fats and proteins, they start getting separated from the water component and they form a separate layer. It's a creamy layer like a film on top of the milk. This skin of the milk is called lactoderm. The thickness of this layer can depend upon various factors, especially the fat or protein content of the milk. If you have a skim milk, you might have a very thin layer. If you have a thick fatty milk, it will have a thick layer. Now we understand that when water is boiled to a particular temperature, it starts converting into steam or vapor, right? So that's what happens to the water component of the milk as well. When we heat it up to a particular temperature, slowly the water starts getting converted into steam or vapor, and the steam has to escape, right? But this film, what it does, it prevents the steam from escaping. So the vapor keeps pushing the milk to find a way to escape. So slowly the milk starts rising. More and more water gets converted into vapor, the more it rises. And it will still continue to rise unless there is a break in the film or until it reaches the edge of the vessel, that is the opening of the vessel, where the steam escapes through the sides and pushing the liquid where it overflows. As you can see in this video, once the layer is broken or removed, the milk continues to boil like normal water until another layer of milk skin is formed. Again, when we break it, it continues to boil. So this is how we make condensed milk, and various other Indian sweets are based on this process as well. There is another very interesting aspect to the milk skin. It is said that this layer that is formed on top of the milk retains heat within the milk. So that is why milk boils faster than water. Of course, there are different concepts like boiling point, elevation, and specific heat, which we will learn as we grow up. But for now, let's keep it simple. Like any aspiring scientist, we did a quick experiment to see whether milk really boils faster than water. Would you like to see it? For any comparison, we need to have similar factors: the heat, the amount of liquids taken, the vessel, everything. So here is the experiment. We took same quantity of water as well as milk, and we tried to boil it at the same flame, a low to medium flame. What we found was that the milk took little less than 12 minutes to boil completely, while the water took nearly 14 minutes to boil fully. So it's just 1 or 2 minutes difference. With that, we will close today's session. Hope it was helpful. Please do observe next time when a grown-up is boiling milk. Please do note that the concept of steam and vapor trying to escape is going to be very helpful in our session on leavening agents.
Hope you had fun. Thank you.